Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I have this little plaque that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Most of the items today are from the Dollar Tree. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take these jingle blocks. I will start gluing them around this plaque. For this last jingle block, it didn't fit, so I just took my sandpaper out, 222 grits, and I just sanded it to make it fit. Perfect fit. Now with some white chalk paint, I'm gonna paint the interior and the inside of the jingle blocks. It's already done, and as you can see, right here by the jingle blocks, I painted that as well. Now the outside, this part here, I'm gonna go ahead and paint it with black chalk paint. So I took 4 wooden beads and I also gave it 1 coat with black chalk paint, and these are going to be the 4 legs. This is turning out to be so pretty. Now I have this snake. I cut the head and the tail also from Dollar Tree, like I said in the beginning of the video, and I'm gonna go ahead and make some handles from this. I'm gonna cut 2 pieces, give it 1 coat with black chalk paint, and with some hot glue I'm gonna go ahead and glue it, and we are going to make a beautiful tray. So now this wooden piece is completely dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and put plenty of hot glue. And of course this tray, you're not gonna be able to lift it up with anything that's, heavy, because it is going to come apart. This is more like a decorative piece, but it is coming out absolutely stunning. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this beautiful piece. I am thrilled to be participating once again of this open invite, What Would You Make? We have 2 amazing hosts, Zana from OK at Home DIY and Conni from Conni Creative Creations. And the guest host this month is Brenda, Rustic and Lazy DIY. Please don't forget to go down in my description box. The links to their channels will be there along with a playlist. These ladies are so talented. You are not going to regret it. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like to all their channels, and make sure that you play the video all the way until the end so you won't miss any of their projects. And now let's continue with our second DIY. And for the second DIY, I have a second plaque. I'm going to be removing the sticker and also the jute twine. Now with this one, I'm going to go ahead and create a farm fresh wall decor. I like my DIYs to match, so I'm going to be doing the same thing with some of this white chalk paint. I'm going to give it 2 coats. This plaque is completely dry now, and now with this black chalk paint, I'm going to go ahead and start distressing all the edges. have this Farm Fresh word, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it one coat with the same black chalk paint. And here is the Farm Fresh already dry. And now I'm gonna take this cow off of this frame. I bought this last year at Dollar General for $1. And I'm also gonna distress this cow. Everything looks great. Now that everything is dry, let's move forward to the fun part. So let's go ahead and start gluing everything together. Like I said before, I'm gonna put this Farm Fresh right up here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with the cow, and the cow I'm gonna put it right below. And there it is. Off camera, I just glue in the cow. And now with this beautiful bow, look at everything matches. Oh my god, I'm in love with this piece. And of course, I'm gonna come in with some greenery just to give it that special touch. And we are just putting in the final touch on this lovely plaque. Once we're done, I would love to hear your thoughts down in my description box. Don't forget to also give me that big thumbs up if you have enjoyed this beautiful project. Off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the jingle blocks in black and the cylinder with white chalk paint. Now everything is dry. Let's go ahead and start assembling. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay this cylinder right here. After that, I'm gonna start putting 5 jingle blocks around the cylinder. Once the 5 jingle blocks are around the cylinder, then I'm coming in with 5 more, and I'm going to be hot gluing them right on top where the gap is at. I hope this makes sense. I'll bring the camera in closer so you could have a better look. So this was nice and simple. Now this is the second layer. I'm gonna create another layer. This is all put together. Look at how beautiful. I like that piece. So this wood round here, I'm gonna go ahead and give it one coat with this black chalk paint. Once that is done, I also have some wood blocks, also giving it one coat with the same black paint. Now with some hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and put all 4 pieces. That's going to be the legs. And then with more hot glue, I'm going to glue both of these pieces one on top of the other. And this is just a reminder, don't forget to visit the playlist down in my description box along with these talented creators. And if you are coming from one of the other platforms, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you are a return subscriber, you mean the world to me. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And now let's go ahead and put the cylinder back in here. Doesn't this look beautiful? And I also have some white flowers. This is it for this beautiful beautiful DIY. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And don't forget to hit that bell button like that. Every time I upload a video, you will get notified. And I will see you in my next video.